A very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Shashi Kurun and welcome to Online Learning Programming in C++. Today I am going to discuss on a very interesting topic, that is a history of C++. So after going through this video presentation, you will come to know the developer of the C++ and you will able to explain the history of the C++. So let's start with the topic. Now the first question is, who is a developer of the C++? So the answer is C++ is developed by Bijan Strostraps at AT&T Bell Laboratory, which is situated in USA, and it is an extension of the C programming language. C++ is also known as object-oriented programming language. C++ is standardized by ISO organization. It was initially standardized in 1998, which was known as ISO IEC 1482:1998. After that, there was many changes in the previous standard, and later on there was C++03 that was developed in 2003. Then developed in 2011, that is C++11. Then in 14, then in 17, and then C++20, which was published in on 15 December 2020. Now the next C++23 is a planned standard to be released in 2023. Now let us discuss the history of the C++. So in 1979, the developer computer scientists began work on C with classes. It is an earlier version of the C++. So the developer found that Simula 67 was a language which was very helpful for the large software development. But this language was too slow for the practical use. There was another language, that is BCPL, that is Basic Combined Programming Language, which was fast, but that is too level to be suitable for the large software development. So the developer taken some features from the Simula and taken some features from the BCPL language. In 1980, there was many features which was added, such as classes, derived classes, parent classes, access control, that is public private protected. And in 1981, three more features were added, like inline function, default arguments, overloading of assignment operator. So these are all the concept that is in the object oriented programming language. In 1983, C with classes renamed as C++, and this C name was suggested by Rick Mascati. After that, there was many features added, like virtual function, operator overloading, reference constant, free store memory allocation, that is new and delete, then improved type check-in, then BCPL style single line comments with two forward slashes. So these were features that were added. All these are concept in object oriented programming language. Book, that is the C++ programming language, and it was first published in 1985. CFront was also commercially released in that year, that is a C++ first compiler. The C compiler is CPRE, CPRE. Again, after that, the language was updated in 1989 to include some more features like static protected members as well as inheritance from the several classes. In 1990, the annotated C++ reference manual was released. In that year also, the Turbo C++ was released as commercial product. Turbo C++ added a lot of additional library, due to which there was major impact in the C++ development. In 1998, the C++ Standard Committee published the first standard for the C++ ISO IE C14882:1998, which is informally known as C++98. In 2003, the committee responded to many problems in the first version, in the first standard C++, and accordingly they revised to C++03. After that, in 2005, the committee released some technical reports regarding features which was to be added in the latest C++ standard. And after that, there was many version of the C++ like C++11, which was released in 2011, then C++14, which was released in 2014, then C++17, then C++20. C++20 was officially published on 15 December 2020. In 2018, the developer was announced as winner of Charles Stark Draper Prize for Engineering for developing C++ language. And according to 2021 survey, the C++ language is fourth most popular language in the world. So I hope in this video lecture you have come to know that who is a developer of the C++ language, and you have also come to know the history of the C++ language. So that's all for today. Thank you.